In a significant step taken up by the government of Manipur, Imphal Ring Road project under the sponsorship of Asian Development Bank (ADB) was flagged off by Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren today. The flag-off ceremony was held at Takhil Khongbal Maninglekai, Imphal West, organized by Public Works Department (PWD). Works Minister Govindas Konthojam, Chief Secretary Vinit Joshi, ministers, MLAs and many officials of the department took part in the flagging-off ceremony. The project cost is fully sponsored by ADB. 40% of the total cost of the project will be expended on road construction and remaining 60% will be expending on many developmental works of people. Addressing the gathering, Works Minister Govindas Konthojam said, the Imphal Ring Road is more than 50 kilometers in length. Some roads will be constructed having 4 lanes and others will have 2 lanes. Drainage system, culverts and other construction works having not to destruct the natural environments are also included. He further said for this project 20 e-buses will be used for transportation with the objective not to harm the environment and 52 e-rickshaws for the weakest section of the society where a family is run by a woman, he added.
Interest is 10% interest. Government of India na pubigado neba state government na pugado walaite mayam khara mana hai nei madudi karino har kana hojik laiba akhoi gi sarkar asina loan pangpu da pui akhoi isa phaw da paisa to lorani haibagi adugumba chingaba ma laibodo madu khachitan kokna ba ina thamjabane. This entire loan amount given by the ADB is 90% grant and a 10% loan, which will be repaid by the government of India, not by our government. Government of India na payment of Godon Neva. Interest of a payment of Godon Neva. Aduna Mayama Tamsaning Madi, total grant oina, Akoda government of India payment of Godose 1,237. Asimus Moina payment of Bigado Neva. Masida Koina Asata Zay Madu Koina Tamsari Basi. 18 lakh people direct benefit people they can be absorbed in any technical capacity or non-technical also. 18 lakh main days 18 lakh main days employment generate 13.5 lakhs main days indirect employment people indirect employment in dukan masa road side and the value of the land will also increase in 100 folds once this road passes through.
In his speech, Chief Minister Biren said this is the first project in the world where the guidelines of Paris Climate Change Agreement are being followed. This project will reduce the pollution in the greater Imphal areas. He further said 2 biodiversity parks will also be established at Khongampa Chingjin in the areas of 2.47 acres and another one at Haingang Ching in the areas of 1.8 acres with the objective not to affect the climate change when the roads are constructed. The parks will be planted with indigenous plants which are being vanished day by day. Besides, components of all the water bodies along the roadsides are also included in the project. On the other hand, Chief Minister Biren also explained about the present situation in the state and appealed to maintain peace.
This called MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly, has a senior Prasagi. Sakum the Karisari Gemagi, Yundu Nong Yudabra Magi, Isam Narakoda. The lying number like the right micro level the game one number cano number do never legalize. That is why the Basel level was a manasa to Saxon Sanaga. Kamun Sanaga and Nankarizari again, one number of the I do get the Tim never I do get Tim. I don't like local development panda. Sahi Kudingi, Yung Kun. Minimum, Sahi Kudingi, my Maki minimum Nico, Yung Kun Sana, Marani no you Layade, Manipur no you me, Yung Layah, Honorable Prime Minister PMOI schemes. Sitting I am say, Aduna, Hoi, Manipur Music and Awaba, tangkak kamu desa. Aku ini nasi sali bawa Manipur di tangkak se sin ahan menate. 92, 93 da talk hiba community ani ki rang da sahi taret hai na. Mi lising ni matuk kama kai mangki. Hap tanah da boleh betul. Nasi koi wari leibak sibu sahi lising ani ki puari leiba ipa ipuna wana nga agalak hiba. Hang da nga agalak hiba ipa ipu bilang sibu tulai ge hiba. Honar po kang bukai koi kenali. Ngamaloi, wagan kadi su wagan makoy na sungo ngamaloi betul mai kai ma ai koi khali ma biduri. Sungo ngamaloi